Greetings children. Let's start with Chapter 5 Minerals and Energy Resources for Class 10. This is the second video in the series.
IV. Certain minerals may occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and the base of hills. These deposits are called placer deposits, and generally contain minerals, which are not corroded by water. Gold, silver, tin and platinum are most important among such minerals. V. The ocean waters contain vast quantities of minerals, but most of these are too widely diffused to be of economic significance. However, common salt, magnesium and bromine are largely derived from ocean waters. The ocean beds, too, are rich in manganese nodules. Interesting facts. Rat hole mining. Do you know that most of the minerals in India are nationalized and their extraction is possible only after obtaining due permission from the government? But in most of the tribal areas of the northeast India, minerals are owned by individuals or communities. In Meghalaya, there are large deposits of coal, iron ore, limestone and dolomite etc. Coal mining in Jowai and Cherrapunji is done by family member in the form of a long narrow tunnel, known as rat hole mining. The National Green Tribunal has declared such activities illegal and recommended that these should be stopped forthwith. Dig a little deeper. What is the difference between an open pit mine, a quarry and an underground mine with shafts? India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources. However, these are unevenly distributed. Broadly speaking, peninsular rocks contain most of the reserves of coal, metallic minerals, mica and many other non-metallic minerals. Sedimentary rocks on the western and eastern flanks of the peninsula, in Gujarat and Assam have most of the petroleum deposits. Rajasthan with the rock systems of the peninsula, has reserves of many non-ferrous minerals. The vast alluvial plains of North India are almost devoid of economic minerals. These variations exist largely because of the differences in the geological structure, processes and time involved in the formation of minerals. Let us now study the distribution of a few major minerals in India. Always remember that the concentration of mineral in the ore, the ease of extraction and closeness to the market play an important role in affecting the economic viability of a reserve. Thus, to meet the demand, a choice has to be made between a number of possible options. When this is done, a mineral, deposit, or reserve, turns into a mine. Ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. India exports substantial quantities of ferrous minerals after meeting her internal demands. Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. India is rich in good quality iron ores. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron up to 70%. It has excellent magnetic qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industry. Hematite ore is the most important industrial iron ore in terms of the quantity used, but has a slightly lower iron content than magnetite. 50 to 60%. In 2018-19 almost entire production of iron ore, 97%, accrued from Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand.
Did you know? Kudare in Kannada means horse. The highest peak in the western Ghats of Karnataka resembles the face of a horse. The Bailadila hills look like the hump of an ox, and hence its name.
The major iron ore belts in India are Odisha Jharkhand belt. In Odisha high-grade hematite ore is found in Badampahar mines in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujar districts. In the adjoining Singhbhum district of Jharkhand hematite iron ore is mined in Gua and Noamundi. Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high-grade hematites are found in the famous Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. The range of hills comprise of 14 deposits of super high-grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical properties needed for steelmaking. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea via Vishakhapatnam port.
Bellary Chitradurga Chikamagalur Tumkur belt in Karnataka has large reserves of iron ore. The Kudremukh mines located in the western Ghats of Karnataka are a 100% export unit. Kudremukh deposits are known to be one of the largest in the world. The ore is transported as slurry through a pipeline to a port near Mangaluru. Maharashtra Goa belt includes the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of
Maharashtra. Though, the ores are not of very high quality, yet they are efficiently exploited. Iron ore is exported through Marmagao port. Manganese is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferro-manganese alloy. Nearly 10 kilograms of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides and paints.
Dig a little deeper, superimpose the maps showing distribution of iron ore, manganese, coal and iron and steel industry. Do you see any correlation? Why? Non-ferrous minerals. India's reserves and production of non-ferrous minerals is not very satisfactory. However, these minerals, which include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc and gold, play a vital role in a number of metallurgical, engineering and electrical industries. Let us study the distribution of copper and bauxite.